All right, I'll just start off by showing you what the issue is. So let's say I just finished my functions lab and I do git log and I see, okay, there's the commits that my instructor made, and then here, finished my functions lab. So my name right now is test student. And I'm going to say I want to push those changes, and it says, oh, there's some things you can't do, so push dash force. I'm like, okay, awesome, great. Now I take a couple days and we've got our pass by reference lab. So I will say git pull and it says, you've got divergent branches, I don't know what to do. Your instructor says, no problem, just do git pull dash dash rebase. And it says successfully rebased and updated. Git status says nothing to commit, everything is good. However, if I do git log, I don't see my functions lab. It's not there. It disappeared. Where's my work? And indeed, if I look at my, let's say, Emacs functions.cpp, it's all gone. So that's scary. Um, we can get it back. So this is called a dangling commit. It's caused by a misconfiguration that I did. I apologize for that. There will be timbits. So to get it back, we do git reflog. And this is kind of like a history of all the stuff you've done. So there's my commit. It's still there. I still said finished my functions lab. It's just not part of my Git history anymore. It's called dangling. It's off nowhere. It's not attached to anything. So I can get it back with a command called cherry pick. So git cherry-pick, and then I want this hash, which is, you can double click it and control shift C, or you can just type it out. So copy and paste is kind of the easiest way. You can also type the head at curly bracket to blah blah blah. Regardless, when I say cherry pick that, and now when I do git log, there it is, there's my commit, and I can do Emacs my functions.cpp, and okay, clearly this function isn't going to work, but my work is recovered.